Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you guys how to make Zobo drink. The benefit of Zobo can't just be overemphasized since it does a lot. Hibiscus tea, popularly known as Zobo, can be used to calm the nerves. It helps to relieve menstrual pain, manages high blood pressure, it lowers cholesterol, protects the liver. Above everything, it contains anti-cancer properties. So I'm going to introduce you guys to the ingredients before we proceed to the process. Right here, I have got my hibiscus leaf. In here, I've got my clove, my ginger, and then my pineapple. And these are the flavor I want to add to the Zobo drink to make it sweet. It is actually optional. It's not necessary. So guys, before we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, if you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also drop a comment for me in the comment section below. Thank you. I have just poured my Zobo into a bucket and I'm going to be washing it. And you have to wash it immediately because you have to remove it from the water immediately so that the coloring will not wash off while you're still washing the Zobo. In here, I've got my already washed hibiscus leaf and then my pineapple seed. I'm not cooking just the back. I'm also cooking some tiny chunks with it. Then I'll put this on fire and allow it to cook for some minutes. So after putting it on fire, the next I'm going to add is my water. While it is cooking, you ground or blend your ginger and cloves, and then you add it into the pot. Okay guys, my Zobo has been cooking for 30 minutes and right now it's boiling, so I'm going to turn off the gas and then I'll sieve it with my basket. After sieving it with this basket, I've also got this basket with tiny holes. The net is very tiny, so it's this kind of net that you use when to sieve it the second time, because after sieving it with this kind of baskets, it has a lot of holes, and then some particles tend to enter into the Zobo like chaff. And when you're drinking it, it's not that smooth because of those leaves that has gotten their way into the Zobo drink. So looking at this one, it has very tiny holes and it also have double net. It has double net, so there's no way any tiny particle will pass through this basket into your Zobo drink. Okay, I'm actually going to pound the pineapple seed in it because I don't have blender, so I'm going to pound it. But if you have blender, you can blend it, take out the juice, use this kind of basket to squeeze it off so that the chaffs that will come out from the pineapple will not have its way into your Zobo drink. Okay, so you just need the water, so you just take the water and add it to your drink. So guys, after sieving it out the second time, this is what my Zobo now looks like. So with this, if you want to add any sweetening to it, any flavor, sugar, whatever you feel like adding to it, at this point you cannot add it for your personal consumption, and you don't want to add sugar, you can actually take it this way. So guys, with this we've come to an end of this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and then give me a comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.